Alrighty traders, George here, and time for a very quick video. Just want to talk about performance a bit here and give a nod to August and a little bit of September and prep you guys for what might be coming our way. For starters, August, we knew we were moving into a red zone market. I've been talking about that for a while, and the likely result of that would be more challenged day trading circumstances, but perhaps better opportunity on the position trade front. That's exactly what happened. Through August, in the 28 hours running the live room over 12 days, I did just over $2,480 after commission on the day trade markets that you see me trade in the live room at about a 50% win rate. The surprise for me was that the win percentage was that high. I was actually surprised about that, but nevertheless walked away with some profit, and certainly worthwhile for the amount of time put in. However, on the position trade front, absolutely killed it with key trades that were talked about in advance. The Dow for 650 points, oil for $3.29, and the NASDAQ moved down at 95 points. Those four trades right there put another $8,400 on the table if you just traded one contract. That's pretty mind-boggling, right? So there's that huge opportunity on the position trade front. And then, of course, moving into September, the big question is, what kind of conditions will we have? Are they going to be the same? Are they changing? And it's funny that my win percentages have actually come down to 41%, but the gain's gone up 34.52 through September so far. So through 14 hours in September, I've got more gain than I did for all of August, at least in the live room. So there's some good performance numbers coming back on the day trade front, and we still have nice position trading. The call just the other day in the NASDAQ for that 143 point pop with 110 points captured based on the balance beam strategy. And that was quite a nice addition there. So another $2,200 just off of that guy. That was the only position trade that I called out for the week. So really a lot riding on that for the win percentage and the highlight aspect. But that's the way it goes. That was the one that got the attention, and the price action made it happen. The balance beam showed the setup and the profit capture technique to take 143 points here and take 110 points out of it. Something you balance beam traders are already on top of in DST clients. So you should be pretty happy with those gains considering these market conditions. Now we're going to start moving into the middle part and end of September, and this is when we really look to see how the market's going to change versus what it did in July and this red zone market that's very unique that happened in August. So make sure you're in the live room next week. Starting Tuesday, we're really going to be spending a lot more time looking at higher time frame analysis on all the key markets. We're going to start looking at stocks big time starting next week as well. And of course, the focus will always be there with the DSR model on the day trade front. So, so far, through a very interesting 6-week period of time here, we've got through it in what I would call flying colors, the position trading on the balance beam, hitting it out of the park, and the good old DSR model just keeping us on the right side of the tracks enough to be profitable even through the red zone market. Alrighty gang, that'll do it for now. Everybody have a great rest of the afternoon and a great weekend, and I'll look forward to seeing you all in the room next week.